Hello, juniors. Miss Ray here. We are going to do a little bit of practice for our very thrilling testing next week. That's right, next week, testing. So we want to make sure that you all have a little bit of experience with some of the tools that are available to you in this test that we'll be seeing. So on your Chromebook, go ahead and log into casp.org. CAASPP.org. CASP.org. CAASPP.org. You will see this beautiful website. Once you're on this website, the place where you're going to be going is right here, Practice and Training Tests. Go ahead and click on that bad boy. And next, you are going to tell it that you are a student. Student access to tests is what you want here. Practice and training tests for students. You do not need to sign in. Just keep it as a guest. Keep it guest user, guest session, click sign in, and then tell it that you are in 11th grade so that you see the appropriate tests. Now you'll see there's a few different options here. There are the Smarter Balance training tests, so the ELA and the math training tests in that way. You also have access to the CAST training test. This is the California Science Test. And then the CAW, you don't need to worry about. The EL proficiency ones, you don't need to worry about. Really, these two up here, Smarter Balance, CAST, these are the ones that you're going to be taking next week and the week after. So what we would like for you to do today is to actually click through all three of these tests so that you have a little bit of an understanding of the types of questions and the types of tools that are available to you on the test. So I'm going to show you the CAST one, for example. Once you click on any of these tests, you'll click to start. Do not worry about any of these settings. Just say sure, go, select. Then you are going to have to play an audio check and video check to see that that playback works. This is a point where if yours doesn't work, you'll know, aha, there are some things I need to do in order to make sure my testing life is set up for success next week. And I'll show you on a couple slides how to do some of those things, how to troubleshoot. Things like clearing your cookies and your cache might help to make the microphone work, for example. But you're going to play the sound and video. On the actual days of testing, you will need headphones. Today, you may not have them. That's okay. On testing days, you must have them. We do have headphones that we can supply for you, but you're also welcome to bring your own. They have to be wired. That means you cannot bring AirPods or other Bluetooth headphones. They must be wired. You plug them into the side of the Chromebook. Or you can borrow some Beats by Ray, which we also have. Those over-the-head headphones, you have access to them. So you'll play the video. You'll tell it that you could hear it. And then you'll click Begin Test Now, and this will take you into the practice test. So you'll notice in all three of the practice tests, you have some tools available for you up here. Be sure you click through those. Make sure you understand what they are, how they work. So you have a sheet of formulas, periodic table, a calculator. Try these tools out so that you're familiar with them. And then this isn't necessarily a test where we're asking you to do your best like we are on the actual CAST and the CASP, but this is an opportunity for you to really see kind of how these tests work, what the question types are, all that good stuff. It also gives you an opportunity to interact with this calculator and see how the functioning works. So you'll go through, you'll click through and examine this short CAST training test. You'll also, on the previous screen, select the CASP tests and do the ELA and the math practice. Just click through, see the types of tools, see what's available for you. Again, this isn't about getting it right or wrong. This is not graded. It's just an opportunity to experience the test platform. All right, enjoy your clicking around and please let your teacher know if you have any questions. Thanks.